Hello, I'm Lily Freeland. I'm Lady Christmas, and welcome for my channel Design Geniuses. Who is Design Geniuses? You, my friends, and my subscribers. And if you will follow my direction, I will teach you instruction. I will teach you how to do beautiful arrangements, not very complicated. Like you know, I always put styrofoam first, fill it with waste, with little glue, and then cover by moss. If you will see my other video, it's always start the same way. Now, styrofoam always have to be covered. After that, we can start building arrangements. And of course, you have to have your tools. Glue gun, glue sticks, wire cutters, major thing. It looked like bonsai tree already. I put little natural branches. They look pretty in this shabby chic pastel vase with little distress, and pour little glue in the middle, and I always give them direction. That's what's good about silk. You can work with that and do any like sculpture, any artistic lines and everything you want to do with that, because fresh grow only in one direction, not that flexible like as silk. Now start working with branches and add a little bit this beautiful light green pastel branches too. See how the match arranging just perfectly. Dark green and light green. We're working with different shades of one color. Keep building. So adding more branches from both sides and in the back and up front. Now we have this beautiful cream with little yellow accent inside flowers. So I separate these branches and I cut them in 3 pieces, and this pink rose too. Pink rose, cabbage rose, pretty big. So I put her in the middle and I twist it a little bit on the side. Then I'm adding this beautiful cream color small branches, and they all go down. Like if fresh arrangement been standing maybe 3-4 days in table, you know how all these branches start going down and give you very natural look, sophisticated natural look. Add a couple cabbage roses aqua color from both sides, and big hydrangea, pink hydrangea with different shades in the middle. Gorgeous hydrangea. See how it look on the side? Right in the middle. And all other branches surrounded this big hydrangea in the middle. This is beautiful shape, not very traditional, but it look very pretty and very natural. And now your arrangement ready. Thank you for watching me. I'm Lady Christmas. I'm Lily Freeland. Welcome to my channel again.